life is the product of your choice.
You shut up your mouth, you cheat! Liar! Ayé ẹ ò dẹ̀ ní ìgbà bó ṣe kí mi. Ayé ẹ dẹ̀ máa bàjẹ́ ní fún kíkí tó lánàá ẹ tó kí mi yẹn.
God, please let my parents come back together.
Yes. Yes. We graduates, we are smart, we are intelligent, we can do anything, we're creative, we got... Kayode, Shola, please, we need to wake up and do something smart right now. Are you a prostitute or a thief? Which are you?
Dare you talk to me in that manner? Don't you ever stay in my way again.
You dare open your mouth to ask me for forgiveness? You, Chama. After you caused me so much shame, pain, disgrace.
Simi, we want to do music. Go.
Awa, Atu, Ati, Afa!
Give it to me.
I am ready to sing.
Stop! The music thing didn't work.
So?
We want to tow your line of business.
My fresh cucumber. She needs 70K. Subo.
Maga, don't pay. Oh, wale. Maga, don't pay. What is the world?
I think we should quit.
What?
Kayode was busted today.
I totally shut my heart down to love until the first time I laid eyes on you. And since that moment, I began to fall in love again, which is why I want to ask you to marry me.
What?
a slap on us. Our guys see what you rob near territory for the past 1 month. I don't know what she see. And oríṣiríṣi system no lo láti fi jà àwọn èèyàn lólè. And we are here feeling relaxed.
Sir, we never sleeping or relating on this case. But ó dàbí ẹni pé gbogbo court a máa fi operate ní àwọn ọ̀daràn yìí ti ní lọ́wọ́. Tá bá gbọ́ pé wọ́n operate níbì kan, before we get to the scene, wọ́n á ti kúrò ńbẹ̀. Àbíkọ́ ti múra sílẹ̀ dè wá. I suggest we change our operating code and have a new strategy of capturing those guys.
Sir, Simi has said it also, but I want to suggest that it gets us up-to-date ammunitions. Because oftentimes when we go in combat with those guys, a man discover sophisticated weapons no allow. And being a detective, me mingle and whenever I go on my spy operations, man repay their source is always very, very strong and direct. They have one our boys any pumping, and where they get it from we actually can tell. It's not like we're not ready to serve. We are willing to serve, but nobody wants to risk his or our life at the expense of nothing.
Sir, we have an emergency robbery at Agility Express.
Good, everybody be at alert and follow order. We are using code 432. And Sandra, be at the control room.
Yes, sir.
láti bí tá a wà lọ sínú náà yẹn tọ̀dọ̀ yín ẹ wo ojú ti sú ẹ sọ̀rọ̀ rà.
olè 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 olè.
ọ̀rẹ́ mi.
ṣe mọ́tò yìí náà báyìí. Fọ́kọ̀! Okay! On your knees!
Ẹ káàbọ̀.
Mo ti máa sọ fún yín pé kò ń ṣe Simi lórúkọ mi. Simi ni. Tẹ́ bá dẹ̀ mọ̀ pé yẹn ṣòro fún yín láti pè. Bóyá kẹ́ kú máa pè tán. Simi lólúwa.
Ẹ wò, ẹ mọ́ bínú sí mi. Ẹ̀yin mo máa ń gbàgbé ni. Èyí Simi sólúwa gan-an ló dáa jù. Ẹ̀yin mo ti miss yín pọ̀ o. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni.
Ìyá.
Àǹtí Simi, ẹ̀yin ó máa pè kẹ́ tó wá yọjú sí wa lọ́tẹ̀. Ṣé ò sí?
Ẹ wo iṣẹ́ ni, ẹ má bínú.
Iṣẹ́ yìí náà ni. Ẹ wò àdúrà nígbà fún yín. Iṣẹ́ tẹ́ ń ṣeun kò ní díṣẹ́ mọ́ yín lọ́wọ́.
Àmín, ẹ ṣé gan.
Ẹ lẹ́, bó wá ni? Ẹ bá mú nǹkan kan ti bí wá ni.
Ọkọ ìwà ọ̀rọ̀ yín ti yé mi. Má rí yín kí n tó lọ.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ ti rí.
Ọkọ ìwà ìwàhálà yín pọ̀ ṣé gbogbo àná náà fún yín nìkan ni. Ẹ ti mọ yín lára o.
Ó wà kọ̀. Ẹ wò bí èèyàn bá sun ọmọ láyé ó yẹ kéèyàn kún fún bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ́n gan ni o. Ọmọ rèé ọmọ tó ṣe tọrọ ọmọ nu kèé kọkùnrin kèé jà kèé fa wàhálà iṣẹ́ tí ń ṣe àtàwọn òbí rẹ̀ gan ló mú lọ́kùnkúndùn Elédùà ó sì jẹ́wọ́ náà òde rẹ̀ ọmọ Ọlọ́run ti bá mi ṣe nù ó ní bóun bá ti ń padà bọ̀ gbọ́bọ̀ báyìí lọ́wọ́ mi ó gbé lé. Same you.
I missed this one, Sha.
Me?
Yeah.
Mom. Okay. Where's your mommy?
Your mom is inside. Let's go.
My mom. Hey, Jamilola. Hey,
your tie is there.
My dear. How are you?
I'm fine, mommy.
You want more use to that down to jẹun. Báwo? Iṣẹ́ wo?
Anyway, you're looking good.
Me look good. I just care on.
Ṣé wàá pa?
Wow. Pẹ̀lẹ́, my dear.
I'm happy to see you.
I'm happy to see you too. Pẹ̀lẹ́.
Mommy, nǹkan tó lọ fi ń gbé ká lọ gbélé kan.
Wo, mo ti sọ fún ẹ. Mo ní ká máa gbé.
But mommy, why now?
I said no.
Mommy. But mommy, ó yẹ ká lọ gbé kinní yìí.
Damilola.
Mommy, what is it again? Why are you always in an argument with mommy?
Don't mind that, just you don't just want to listen to me.
Ọ̀rọ̀ ọmọ yìí ó sú mi. Ṣé òun ló bí mi ní àbẹ́ mi mo bí? Mo mọ reason tí mo ṣe ní kó má gbé nǹkan tí mo ní kó gbé síbẹ̀. Ó ti lè argue jù.
Well, Damilola, wait. Did you just listen to yourself? Your mother is not listening to you. Look at it, sis. You should be the one listening to her because she is your mother. She deserves your respect. Besides, she's wiser than you. Give her some.
Bá mi sọ fún o. Bá mi sọ fún.
I'll remember that.
Better. Daddy will come.
Ọkọ mi wà yára. Ó ti yẹ kí n lọ pè wọ́n kó wá jẹun. Ẹlẹ́dàá mi.
Ó ti ẹ̀ dábẹ́. Abíbẹ́ ni pé mo pé bí ń pa mi. Ibi kan mi tó kí wá rẹ̀.
Wo àti ta ni? Ó mọ kankan. Ó jẹ tí mo sè. Èmi, ọkọ mi àtàbúrò ẹ̀ nìkan ṣoṣo.
So èmi wá ní jẹun. I trust you, mom. Kàkà bẹ́ẹ̀ gbogbo kíchìn yẹn ni màá dàrú sí. Tí mi ò fi ní jẹun, mo ní bàjẹ́ ìyẹn jẹ.
Tó bá ti ya dàrú, ìwọ ni kò ya tún tó. Ṣé o ti gbọ́ mi? Ṣáàfù oúnjẹ wálẹ̀ o.
Kí ló dẹ̀dẹ̀ tí ìrẹ́ jìnnà sí wa tó bẹ́ẹ̀ ó kàn búlẹ̀ lé wa dúró ò ń bá wa jà ní.
Iṣẹ́ mi jẹ́rìí dáde àwọn cases kan ní ọ́fíìsì ló jẹ́ kí n ráyè.
Station yìí náà ti mú àwọn adigunjalè yẹn. A gbọ́ nínú news now.
Ọ̀dọ̀ wa ni mọ́mì. In fact, àwọn ọ̀daràn yẹn ò ní pẹ́ fojú balẹ̀ ẹjọ́.
Wow, my sister is...
Shut up. You don't talk while eating.
Okay.
So ìyẹn ni ò jẹ́ kí... Dami.
You don't talk while eating.
Daddy.
Dókítà, ibi la wà ń sìn tó fi fún ní size tapá ọ̀dọ̀ ẹ̀. Tó jẹ́ kó mọ̀ pé kò ní table manner. Now, event ti shift sí side ọ̀dọ̀ ẹ̀.
Really?
Ó ti di 1-1.
Daddy, so nǹkan tẹ́ máa sọ nìyẹn. Kí Damilola mú ẹran lórí oúnjẹ mi. Kẹ́ máa sọ nǹkan tẹ́ sọ. Ẹ̀yin lẹ ń bọ́ ọmọ yìí jẹ́ o. No problem.
Pẹ̀dàn.
Ẹ gbọ́ná. Kí ló ń ṣe yín méjèèjì náà? Ṣé ẹ fẹ́ kí ọkọ mi fẹ́ràn jẹun ni àbí kí ló dé?
Mọ́mì, ọ̀rọ̀ yìí kì í ṣọ̀rọ̀ tẹ̀lé dá sí rárá o. Ṣé bá rún oúnjẹ dáàdì mi ni mo mú? Tẹ́yìn náà bá dé fẹ́ mẹ́rùn, bóyá kẹ́ lọ lé dáàdì yìí kẹ́ lọ mẹ́rùn.
Simi, ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn deep. Ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn deep. Ó strong jù fàgbàlagbà. Ṣe bí ìgbà tó gbọ̀kàn fi ra ojú. Ìṣòṣù kò fi kínra ó deep kan. Pẹ̀lú.
Kí ni yóò dókítà mi?
O náà kò lọ́mọ́ toró deep.
Nice one.
O deep.
Kó lọ jẹ ẹnìwé rẹ̀ dé lọ.
O deep gan. Mo rẹ̀ jẹ́.
Simi, Túnjí, ẹ̀yin méjèèjì lè máa lọ present case file àwọn guys yẹn ní court lọ́la.
Okay, sir.
Right, sir.
And Sandra máa tẹ̀lé yín lọ.
Sandra.
Yes? Is there any problem with that?
No, sir.
No, not at all.
Okay, dismiss.
Alright, sir. Sorry, sir.
Àti débẹ̀.
Yẹ́mi ó ti lọ sí pẹ́tọ́.
Àti débẹ̀.
Inú mi ó. Inú mi ó.
Staff. Sir. Gbogbo necessary things to need. Careful.
Okay, sir.
Take care.
Ẹ pẹ̀lẹ́ mọ́.
Àti lọ sí pẹ́tọ́ ọmọ mi.
Ọmọ yín ó wà lálàáfíà.
Bí mo tán, ẹ jẹ́ kí mo bóyá ọkùnrin ni àbúbìnrin ni òkè ibo ló wà.
O ò sọ́rí ẹ má bínú mímọ̀ pé wọ́n ti sọ fún yín. Ọkùnrin lẹ́bí, ọkùnrin làǹtìlanti.
Ibo ló wá wà nínú fẹ́ rí ọmọ mi.
Ṣé wọ́n sọ fún yín ni?
Pé kí ni?
Pé anytime tó bá ti bímọ inú ẹ̀, bóyá ọkùnrin ni o, àbúbìnrin ni o, orphanage home la máa darí ẹ̀ sí. And that was exactly what I did. No, come. Ìwọ náà gbé sínú ìrònú fúnra ẹ̀ kí mọ́mí ẹ̀ kó máa tọmọ lọ́wọ́ nínú ilé mi. Ìwọ náà at the age of 15 ó bímọ nínú ilé mi mò ń tọ́jú. That's impossible. Kò possible rárá, impossible. Grossly impossible. And you can't stand here kó máa gbáriwo ọmọ ẹ̀ kó máa ké kó kàn tó síbí kó máa sunkún. That's impossible. Báwo ni mo ṣe fẹ́ sọ?
That's unfair. Hold on now. That's not fair.
I was transferred back to my aunt's place, where I stayed till I gave birth to my unseen baby, just to avoid the shame.
Oh, girl. So, where is the baby now? I mean, where's the orphanage?
The baby, the orphanage. As we speak, me to relocate the orphanage Omiyewa. Not to talk of the baby.
It's okay. It's okay, Simi. You see, there's something I know about life. Everything is going to be okay. Might not be now, but eventually we all smile. See, Simi, you don't have to be like this. Listen, Simi, I understand how you feel. It's okay. It's alright. It's okay.
Simi.
Yeah?
Simi, guess there's more reasons. Jimmy. Bó ṣe rí mi báyìí ó dá mi mọ̀ tó dé approach mi ní pé wọ́n wá kó fẹ́ rí ẹ̀. Pé bá ń sọ pé wọ́n wá rí, I'm so surprised when you approach me. It was a direct approach.
Báwo ló ṣe mọ station tí mo wà?
Èmi mo ní ká sọ̀rọ̀. Báwo lè fẹ́ kí n mọ̀ tó ti bẹ̀rẹ̀? Èèyàn wá rí ẹ̀ òmìnira bá lè mọ̀ station. Ìkan tí wọ́n máa ṣe ni pé kò pàṣẹ tó ń ṣe tí kò lọ yọjú sí. Kó tiẹ̀ mọ̀ kan tó wá bẹ̀ fún wa. Adé lè bèrè lọ́wọ́ pé báwo ló yẹ mọ̀ bí àgbáwò ni ò ṣe mọ̀ bí báyìí. Èmi kọ́ ni máa dáhùn yẹn.
Mi ní any reason láti lọ yọjú sí. Torí I can't remember inviting you here.
Mo inú ló ń bí ẹ. And I understand, surely. Ọmọ àlè ló máa rí inú tí ò níbi. But at this point, my advice ẹ kò gbé ìbínú ti ṣẹ̀gbẹ́ kan. Mo nǹkan tó fẹ́ fi bá sọ tẹ fẹ́ lò náà tó 5 minutes. Ìwé lè rárí mi fún ìwé lè fẹ́ ìjọjọ́ máa sọ̀rọ̀ adé yóò dán.
Ìwọ fúnra ẹ ló máa lọ yọjú sí. Tó máa sọ fún pé mi sí ní station at the moment. Torí pé kò lè ever rí 1 minute out of my lifetime again.
Hold on. See me. At this point, you need to calm down. Okay? Joe, why be no see a back? No, attend to boy now. Oh, more got to worry for.
Suji, Ofebo, Olohun Mije.
Why are you avoiding this guy?
Which guy?
Jimmy, of course.
You need any business, Bella?
Oh, any business, Bella, you don't trust yourself around him. Both feelings, you know what they say.
Amy, you are not serious.
Semi, you are no longer a 15-year-old girl. And I'm sure you can control your emotions around him. If I suggest go with Jimmy, sit him down and talk to him. Let him know everything that happened. I mean, he has the right to know.
No, I can't do that. Tó bá béèrè ọmọ ẹ̀, kí ló fẹ́ kí n sọ fún?
Semi Luluwa Alfred. He has the right to know everything that happened.
Oh no, not at all. So, where's this beautiful girl with you on your wallpaper?
Oh, that's the last one. My mom had her heart for you last.
Wow. She's beautiful, just like you. Sydney, I am very sorry for everything. You see, we're both young then. Mama, because I'm going to make up for what to share. But I am sorry, okay? Please.
It's okay. Due to what we had together back then.
Like what?
My mom discovered I was...
You were what?
Pregnant.
How? Why? So?
I had a baby boy.
A baby boy? Oh my God. So, Mbodo Ansin. How would he say now? Where is he? Please, I would love to meet him. You what?
I sent him to an orphanage.
No way. Why? See me why? For me. Or they feel it for an orphanage. Why?
Jimmy, I'm so sorry. That was my only option then.
Option my foot! How could you be so heartless? To the extent of giving your own child to the orphanage. How? Why?
I was young. I was scared. I was naive. I was all alone.
Alone? How could you be alone? What about your parents? Aren't they supposed to support you? Whatever mistake to buy, are they not supposed to support you?
Don't bring my parents into our situation. All I gave them back then was disappointment. You have no right to stand here and put blames on me. Tell me, you are nowhere to be found, of course. Sure, what is it from me, Noni? You have no idea how hurtful it was to give your child away. I live with regret ever since I sent him away. So stop acting like you are only in the say, cause you are all to be blamed for this.
Semelulu Alfred, I can't and will never accept this. Good day.
Musimiluluwa, what happened? Láti ìgbà tó ti dé látọ̀sán, mo ní mood ẹ ti change. Mo tún ní kí Dami wá pè wá fún dinner. Mo lọ sọ pé ó wà okay. Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ gangan? Talk to me.
Mommy, I met Jimmy.
Níbo lẹ ti pàdé?
We met in court. He's not a barrister. And I told him everything.
But why? Simi, why did you do that?
I don't know. I don't know, Mommy. Mo rò pé tí n bá sọ fún ó máa fi mí lọ́kàn balẹ̀. But I doubt it, Mom.
Similuluwa, what exactly is the problem? Talk to me. I'm your mom.
I thought I could move on without my child. I thought time would make me forget. I can let go. But the more I try, the more it gets worse. Ọjọ́ tí mo gbé ọmọ mi sílẹ̀ ni mo pàdánù ìdùnnú mi. The day I let him go was the day I lost everything. Nígbà tí mo wà nínú oyún ẹ, my unborn child was my closest friend. But what did I do to him? I sent him away. I sent him away. I don't deserve to be happy. I don't. He must be very handsome. Àdúrà kan ṣoṣo ni mo ní. Just to see him once. Yes. Just to see him once. And hug him. And tell him how sorry I am. But not going to happen. It's not. Oh, is it going to happen, mommy? Talk to me. Is it going to happen?
Sir. Sir. Hey. Ọ̀gá o. Ṣé wípé ẹni tó kú àtẹni tó nù wọ́n máa pàdé lọ́jọ́ kan? Ìrẹ́nìjì mú. Ó fún ọmọ mi lóyún at that tender age. They abandon it, don't lie when they no, it's unfair.
Daddy, ṣe ni máa bẹ̀yìn pé kẹjọ dúró Ọlọ́run kẹ má bínú sí mi. Ẹbí mi náà kọ́. Ọmọdé ló ń ṣáà méjèèjì ń bá ẹ ṣe lákéwé. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe lọ́mọ kékeré ni Daddy. Ọmọ kékeré lèmi náà ń gbà ẹ. Ó lè má ju bí ọdún méjì lọ tí mo gbà lọ́wọ́ ẹ. Pẹ́sà ìrìn àjò àìròtẹ́lẹ̀ tí àwọn òbí mi mú mi lọ ń gbà yẹn. Wọ́n ló farú ẹ̀mí mọ́ ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀. Àti pàápàá èmi náà mọ̀ pé oyún ti dúró sí lára. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ foríjì mi. Iṣẹ́ rí wíwá tí mo wá ìsà. Àmọ́ fẹ́ wá ṣe àtúnṣe sáwọn mistakes mi náà. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ dúró lẹ́ẹ̀ dáríjì mi.
Anyways, Ọlọ́run ni ọba aláforíjì. Mo kàn fẹ́ kó mọ̀ pé èèyàn ò kì í ṣe irú ẹ̀ ni mo ṣe sọ. Adam since tó ti sọ wípé ó ti padà dé láti ṣe àtúnṣe. Ọlọ́run á ràn ẹ́ lọ́wọ́ láti ṣàtúnṣe.
Thank you, sir. Àmín, sir.
Ìdí gangan tá a fi pè pàdé yìí. Òun ni láti tan ìmọ́lẹ̀ sí àwọn nǹkan kan tó ṣókùnkùn sí Similoluwa. You see, tọ́lọ́run bá ń ṣe rere, a máa ń rò pé ibi ló ń ṣe. Similoluwa.
Yes, Mama.
I'm going to tell you some things today.
Okay.
And please, I don't want you to judge me. Because everything was done for you.
Okay.
Lẹ́yìn ìgbà tí mo bí àbúrò ẹ̀ tán.
I'm so sorry. Ọmọ yẹn ò make it. Má ṣe bí síta báyìí lóko.
Doctor. Yes. Ọmọ burúkú. Doctor ọmọ burúkú.
Doctor. Ẹ jọ ọmọ wo ni? Ọmọ wo ló sọ fún?
Kí ni sọ́jú?
Ẹ ká wá ni. Ọmọ wo ni?
Doctor.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni mi dà. Doctor, bẹ́ẹ̀ni mi dà. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni mi dà. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni mi dà. Wọ́n ti lùsẹ̀. Wọ́n ti lùsẹ̀ ọmọ yẹn.
Mommy, when doctor Sopoko.
Simi, let your mom talk.
Okay.
Let her know.
Simi,
yes, mommy.
Lẹ́yìn ìgbà tọ́mọ kú tán, tó bá rántí dáadáa, wípé dádì ẹ̀ insist pé tó bá ti bí ọmọ, pé a máa put it up for adoption ní orphanage. Èmi wá rò pé I can't lose my child and at the same time lose my grandchild. That was when mo lọ bá doctor immediately to go into.
Mr. Alfred, Mrs. Alfred,
doctor,
nǹkan tí níbi ṣe ká gbé ọmọ tí ọmọ yín bí ká gbé fún yín bí ìgbà tó jẹ́ pẹ́yìn lè bí ó wọ̀ nẹ́tíkà.
Madam, can you please allow me to talk here, please? Doctor, Sherry, situation that way, I understand plight, you know. But ẹ máa ṣe ìrànlọ́wọ́ tó tóbi fẹ́mi àti ìyàwó mi. Ìdùnnú ló máa jẹ́ tí bá lè gbọ́mọ yẹn fún wa. Ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kejì rẹ̀, Sherry inú under roof wa náà láti fẹ́ tọ́mọ yẹn. Ibẹ̀ náà lòun náà ti fẹ́ tọ́ tiẹ̀. But ẹ lè fi experience ìyàwó mi kẹfì wé tiẹ̀. And let me tell you this, mo ti sọ fún tẹ́lẹ̀ látìgbà tó ti lóyún yẹn wípé kò lè wo ọmọ yẹn lọ́dà roof mi kí orphanage máa gbé lọ. Even kò rí ọmọ yẹn nínú ilé wa kò rí dámọ̀. Ìkẹta ni wípé you will be handsomely rewarded both in cash and kind.
Nǹkan tẹ́lẹ̀ kì í ṣe yóò easy o, ó dẹ̀ lè withdraw license.
But all the same, you still have to help us. Kò yẹ yín sìn, ẹ ní láti a máa jọ wò ṣe láàrin ara wa náà, and it will not be a problem.
As your family doctor over the years, nǹkan tí mo fẹ́ ṣe ẹ jẹ́ kó jẹ́ ẹ̀rí mi àti yín.
Sure.
Torí pé ó wà ọ̀nà ẹ̀tíkà.
Doctor, ṣé kí n sòtọ́ fún yín? It will be between you and I. Òun kàn máa jẹ́ witness lásán.
Ẹ má jẹ́ kó hàn síta rárá.
Doctor.
Torí pé ó lè gba license lọ́wọ́ mi o.
No problem. You are safe. You are safe with us.
A jẹ́ mọ̀sínú mọ̀síkún.
Exactly.
Ìṣègùn ẹ̀ dọ́kítọ̀ mi ṣe mo dúpẹ́ ẹ̀ ṣe.
Tí oní cash tá a sọ, ìgbà wo ni ká ṣe?
Lẹ́yìn ìgbà tó bímọ tán, unknown to you, we went to the hospital to bring Daniela home as my own daughter. Daniela is your daughter.
Daniela is my daughter.
Yes.
My daughter.
Yes.
But wait, according to Koto's of Fumini Hospital, wọ́n sọ pé ọkùnrin ni ọmọ mi. So what is happening, Daddy?
That was part of the plan. A fẹ́ fi clue kankan sílẹ̀ fún ẹ tó fi máa lè link ọmọ yẹn mọ́ Dámilọ́lá rárá. I fẹ́ kó face life ẹ. Don't want to
Daddy,
distracted.
Mommy. Jimmy.
It's okay.
Dámilọ́lá.
It's okay. It's okay.
Well, wait! Dámilọ́lá, wait!
Jimmy!
Dámilọ́lá!
Ẹ bá mi pè. Ẹ bá mi rán.
Dami.
Amy, I'm sorry. Amy, no, I don't know.
Dami.
Hello there.
Yeah, I know.
Ó ti ṣe tán nìyẹn.
As you can see, I'm trying not to run along. No.
Èmi náà ní pé máa lọ bò tí mo máa wá weekend.
Oh, weekend. My brother that one weekend. Actually, I have something very important to attend to. Someone is here around. Mawa.
Jimmy, kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀ gangan? Kí ló dé tó ń treat me by now? Since a month ago ni mo ti notice pé ò ṣe dáadáa sí mi mọ́. And téèyàn ọkùnrin bá ti fẹ́ rìnrìn ìrànù yìí lẹ máa ń hùwà báyìí. Tó bá ti sú ẹ kó sọ fún mi kí n lè tètè bẹ́sẹ̀ mi sọ̀rọ̀. Kí ni mo tẹ̀ ń sọ gan? Tó ní bá ti fi àparí iṣu hàn àlejò, ó sọ fún pélé tó lọ ni. And before you break my heart, I will leave you.
Thank you, Lord. Ọlọ́run ṣé o, alágbára ńlá ṣé o. Thank you. Just exactly what I want from her. You break my heart. Does she have a heart? Make sure you knock my door! So, how is she now?
Also now, but why see no tell you father? Despite the fact we might get me for my book my baby, so things can go back to normal between us. Another mother called her to direct me. She said I'm not afford to keep her as my child. We are living like strangers now. Not even like sisters we used to be.
It's okay. Everything will be fine.
I hope so.
Hey, look at me. Trust me. Everything will be fine. Okay?
Okay.
Wait. She finds it very hard to come to the reality that someone she has always known as her sister is her mother. So that's not hatred.
Mo gbìyànjú láti ṣàlàyé fún un, but ó ní ó fẹ́ understand me. She's not mad at her father, so why only me?
That's because she loves you. See me. At this point, you need to really calm down. You need to want Latifah anytime there. And I'm sure she will forgive you. Just give her a little time.
Adetiji.
Yes.
Thanks for being my friend.
Stop, Joe. Come on.
Thanks for always being there.
Amen. You too.
Bóyá kẹ́dẹ̀ ra chocolate àti biscuit fẹ̀nìtẹ̀ sọ̀rọ̀ ọ̀pẹ.
Tálẹ́ nìyẹn.
Sí ẹni tẹ̀sẹ̀ sọ.
Excuse me, Belu.
Kí ìgbà rẹ̀ náà?
Next time tẹ́ bá ń bọ̀ báyìí, tẹ́lẹ̀ pé ọlọ́pọlọ méjì sọ̀rọ̀ torí wọ́n pé èèyàn wá fi ohun tó kù lórí ti yín fi style fi béèrè pé sọ̀rọ̀ kù lẹ́wọ̀n tí mo lè sọ àbí tí mo lè dá sí. Yẹ́n ẹ̀kọ́ yẹn ní bẹ́ẹ̀lú ọ̀rọ̀ bí ọ̀pọ̀lọ. Kẹ wá yọ bàǹtù kẹ máa yọ ọ̀nà ọ̀rọ̀ báyìí kẹ́ ẹ̀ máa yọ sọ̀rọ̀ tó pè é sí kì í fi bẹ́ẹ̀ make sense torí next time ni.
Ṣé wà gbèsè ọ̀rọ̀?
Okay.
Má ti dá sí. Kí ni problem ẹ ní station yìí gan-an? Kí n tó sọ̀rọ̀ wá ti sọ sí. Tí bá ní mo fẹ́ ṣe lè wá sọ̀rọ̀. Mo ní mo fẹ́ lọ tọ̀ wá sọ̀rọ̀. Bí mo ní mo fẹ́ lọ yàgbẹ́ wá sọ̀rọ̀. mo ṣe ní kó gbóúnjẹ wá fún mi last week nìyẹn tó sọ pé kán dóúnjẹ yẹn padà kán sọ fún mi pé oúnjẹ ti tán. Wetin happen now?
I like
ṣé ìwọ ló fẹ́ fẹ́ mi?
Oh, like it.
I hate you.
I like what you makes you look stupid. Your stature makes you look.
Even you are not looking good.
Can you see me not carrying the one? Are you my nigga? Boss, you're screaming for you. What is called a table the wall?
Ọ̀run gan nípa ọ̀dẹ̀ ìfilé ayé. Ọ̀run gan pé ṣe. Mo fi ní àbíwá fún lélẹ̀.
Mọ́tò yóò gbọ́. Mọ́tò tó ti tì wáyé. Ọ̀fọ̀ pẹ̀lẹ́. Pẹ̀lẹ́.
Wọ́n náà pẹ̀lẹ́ kí.
Àmì ìjà pa. Yóò sọ fún àwọn ẹ̀rẹ́.
Ó ga látara ní ilé wa lọ tó wá dára dúró tó yìí.
Ẹ wo ẹjọ́ tó rọrùn ẹ má bínú. Mo lọ ṣàlámì kankan ni. Kódà inú mi ò dùn rárá.
Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ sọ fún wa?
Jẹ́jẹ́ mọ̀ pé bọ̀bọ̀ Jimmy yẹn ti ń rìnrìn àrè tipẹ́tipẹ́.
You don't mean it.
But boyfriend ẹ ló pé bọ̀bọ̀ yìí náà ẹ dẹ̀ love ara yín gan. Kí ló wá ṣẹlẹ̀?
Lóòótọ́ ni mo love ẹ. Ṣùgbọ́n ṣe lè believe pé Jimmy ti bímọ. Ó ti fẹ́ ìyàwó. Kódà grown up lọmọ ẹ̀.
Ìyàwó báwo lọ pé Jimmy ṣe máa níyàwó tí ò jẹ́ ní mọ̀. Ẹ ṣe love ara yín tó.
Èmi tí mo tẹ̀lé lọ ni mo rí bí ó ṣe gbé ọmọ yẹn jáde. Ó gbé lọ sí tree, ó gbé lọ ṣe shopping. In fact, ọwọ́ méjèèjì báyìí kún fún nǹkan tí wọ́n rà ní. Tó ń dìmọ̀, tó ń kiss ẹ̀, tó ń... Even for my findings, mo jẹ́ kí n mọ̀ ipò gangan ló ní ọmọ yẹn.
Bí rẹ̀ ti bí sí Amẹ́ríkà tipẹ́tipẹ́ tó ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ wá ní ṣá.
Amẹ́ríkà wò. Kò tiẹ̀ jọmọ tí wọ́n bí sí abroad rárá. Ó kàn jẹ́ yí pé àwọn ọlá díẹ̀ wà lára rẹ̀.
Ga o.
Wọ́n tí Jimmy yẹn báyìí gan ni. Ẹjọ́ torí Ọlọ́run, honorable nǹkan.
Honorable wa lókè wọ́n relax lọ.
Ẹ jẹ́ kí mi lọ bá wọn lókè náà.
Káyọ̀ wà lé. Ṣé mo pé tírí sọ̀nà honorable fẹ́ ṣe ìwọ ni kò fẹ́ máa sáré lọ. Ọ̀tá lórí ẹ̀ ń bíbá ẹ̀kọ́.
Anyway, I can't wait ni.
Ṣé wood lára ti wá tá a jókòó sí bíbá yìí? Àbí?
Kí lẹ̀yin wọn ṣe ń sàlẹ̀ bíbá yìí?
Ọ̀dà fún ìjọ wọn gbé bọ̀ àti báwọn náà wọ̀dà.
Ọ̀dà fún ìjọ wọn gbé bọ̀ bíbá yìí dry na kí ló dé tẹ̀mù kankan?
Àmì kọ́kọ́ jọ.
Ẹ̀yin ò mú kankan. Ẹjọ́ èmi máa mú nǹkan. Barman! Ẹjọ́ torí Ọlọ́run ẹ fún mi ní drinks. Alcohol.
Ọdún ẹgbẹ́ mẹ́ni tí mo jẹ́ ni ẹni tí iná tẹ̀sí ẹ pẹ̀lú mi ẹ̀yin ìdíọ̀tì ẹgbẹ́ fún mi ayé mi o ẹgbẹ́ mi o ayé mi tó ẹgbẹ́ mẹ́ni tí mo rà fún yẹn nígbà fún mi lọ́wọ́ lọ ayé mi ọlọ́.
Hello baby, kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀?
Owó gba fóònù mi fi wá wọn náà lọ yẹn ó fi dá a ní padà wá wọn má kó bá rẹ̀ ègé kan ti lọ àwọn olóṣìyẹ ti lọ. Wọ́n gba fóònù mi.
Sorry, you don't need to cry. Don't worry about another one for you. Just tell me you love me, you marry me.
Ṣọ̀rọ̀ marry ló wà lẹ́, ó ṣe máa ṣe báyìí gan-an.
Okay, tell me you love me.
I like you.
No, there's difference between love and like.
And if you
tell me you love me, then I'll do what you want.
Kí ló ń ṣe ẹ́ náà, ọmọ ike street la wà ní. A ní kó ra fóònù náà, tó bá ra fóònù fún mi náà, worry, I'll marry you, I'm serious, I love you, tó bá ra fóònù.
Better, so you know you're on the street before you are crying, don't worry, mo expect a lot to come in. Ṣó ti gbọ́?
Ẹ pè wọ́n sí, thanks in lọ, bá mi pè wọ́n.
Hello Banji, gbé fóònù yìí, ibo ń wèrè ẹ̀ gbé fóònù sí.
Bóyá ń jẹun lọ́wọ́.
Okay, hello Banji. How far now?
Kí wọ́n má jágbélé.
Aláàtì ẹ̀ ó ti ẹ̀ kó worí fún mi látàárọ̀, kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀? I'm in a serious dilemma now. My mom is in coma.
Your father.
My father is in coma.
Your brother.
My brother too.
So fún wọn pé gbogbo family.
All my family, they are in the hospital.
So
please. Okay, mo ti gbọ́. You don't need to cry. Ká tó débi tán ti ta phone. A ti wọlé. Ṣó ti gbọ́?
Àbí kò gbé mi.
Má worry, mo ṣe lè gbé ẹ. O fẹ́ kó bá mi ni. You don't even pity me. It's because I love you. Wọ́n gbogbo rọ́tí mò ń pa. Nothing happens to my family now. Just to make the guy to send the money on time. Share up, I love you.
I like you too.
No, I love you.
I like you, Jackie phone.
No, I love you.
I hope you enjoyed yourself today, beautiful.
Yes, Daddy. Thank you very much.
You're welcome, my beautiful angel. You know what? I want you to run along to your bedroom so you can sort your gift. I want to briefly talk to your mom. I'll call you very soon.
Alright. Don't break the promise. Said briefly.
I know. I won't break the promise. Look at her. What's it, Jomiju?
Thanks for settling everything.
Oh no. Iboleki ma dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ ẹ. Similoluwa. Ó ti mú adùn wọnú ayé mi wá. Similoluwa. I have a request to make.
Okay, go ahead.
I want to ask that we change our daughter's surname to mine.
Ìyẹn ti di dandan. Òkè òkúlòkúrè, bàbá ọmọ ló lọ́mọ.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Simi, one more thing.
Okay.
Similoluwa. Simi, can you please do me the honor of changing your own name from Similoluwa Alfred to Similoluwa Akiwale, my name? I love you, Simi. Please, marry me.
I still love you the same way I loved you when I was 15 years old.
You do?
You're my first man, my first love, and above all, you're the father of my daughter. I love you.
Love you too. Is that a yes?
Of course, yes.
Thank you. Thank you. I love you. I love you so much.
Glory to God, I'm sorry to bring you back to me. Bojo Ife Akoko, Koro let me lori. Boru Ife Akoko, Koro let me lori. Shorty, Baye, Timoni Fere, Shorty.
Mi ò lè sọ bínú mi ṣe tuntun lónìí. Ṣé ti ọmọ mi Tolúwa ló lọ pẹ́ tó pọ́dún kan lé ní kí n sọ ni? Àbí tí ọmọ mi Olúwadámilọ́lá torí admission sí one of the best universities in the country. Girl, I'm very proud of you.
Thanks, sir.
Àbí tí ìyàwó mi obìnrin rere, àyà bí ìyá. Alálùbáríkà obìnrin. Ẹni tí Ọlọ́run fi jí kí èmi nìkan.
Ọlọ́run ẹlẹ́dàá mo dúpẹ́ o. Mo dúpẹ́ pé o fún mi ní family mi.
I am very happy to have all of you. God bless you, sweetheart. I love you. So, I just got toast to say happy family, good health, boy. You have to have yours too. You need to go do my job. So, to life, to good health, to happiness, to many more goodies of life. Okay, boy. Bye. Oh, sorry. Mo gbàgbé láti toast fún kankan, and it's very important. To a lot of money, kí lè máa rí school fees san gbogbo. Kí lè tọ́jú ìyàwó mi. Love you, darling. I love you too.
Glory to God, I'm sorry to bring you back to me. Bójú ìfẹ́ bá rọ̀, kó rọ̀ lé mi lórí. Bójú ìfẹ́ bá rọ̀, kó rọ̀ lé mi lórí. Ṣòro tí ìgbà yẹn tí mo nífẹ̀ẹ́ rẹ. Ṣòro tí I'm so happy when you said yes in my face. What do mommy know? Agbẹ̀kẹ́ mi, 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 onítẹ̀mí, agbẹ̀kẹ́ mi, agbẹ̀kẹ́ mi, agbẹ̀kẹ́ mi, onítẹ̀mí, agbẹ̀kẹ́ mi, agbẹ̀kẹ́ mi, agbẹ̀kẹ́ mi, onítẹ̀mí.
If you move, show your best ni ma sọ̀rọ̀ sí. Else, ma fìbọn fọ́ gbogbo orí ẹ̀ dànù sí. I need my lawyer. This of George, má jẹ́ ká pa. I'm here about your girlfriend's death, Oyindamola Williams. Oyindamola ti kú. Suspect ló jẹ́ nínú murder case kan tí mo investigate lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ báyìí. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́, à ń béèrè Dr. Johnson. I knew it!
Mo ti sọ fún ìyàwó ẹ wípé o ti dé sílùú. Ó dẹ̀ retí ẹ torí mo sọ fún pé ìwọ ni mo wá gbé.
Mo ní bóyá kí n kúkú tẹ̀lé yín kó má jẹ́ yín nìkan.
Má ṣe lọ́nà. Ọmọ ọgbà! Ó ti ẹ̀dá bọ́lá. Ọ̀la ìṣòro gbé bàyọ̀ lọ.
Wá bò ó. Jọ kí ni ìtumọ̀ oúnjẹ tábùrù ẹ̀ jẹ́? Ta ló máa bílíf pé àgbàlagbà ló jẹun bíbá? Ó dà ṣé wọ́n ní ajá tó fẹ́ gbóúnjẹ mi fún mi? Ṣé wọ́n láìkì mi ni àbí wọ́n láìkì oúnjẹ tí mo sè?
Ṣé máa lọ? Ní ìdẹ́ṣẹ́ nítorí nǹkan tó sọ lórí ẹ̀mí ló lọ.
Ok, wọ́n wọlé sí. Wọ́n kí wa mú sọ fún ọ ní kò sí problem. Wọ́n padà wá sí wàá padúrà ariwo yẹn lé mi lórí. Kí n sì tún dúró kọ́ńdọ̀ mi gbóná lé mi lórí.
Ṣàfilẹ̀ nítorí ìsọlẹ́nu.
Ìsọlẹ́nu nínú ilé mi, nínú ilé ọkọ mi, kí n má tún lẹ́nu ọ̀rọ̀. Àkòlè wọ́ọ̀kọ̀, dákò lọ́ba sọ̀rọ̀. Máa padà lọ́ba o.
Tókẹ́. mọ̀ pé in the next 5 minutes mi ò lè sọ ibi tí màá wà ṣá.
Ìwọ ọ̀gbẹ́ni Jèmí Fìjàbí, ilé ẹjọ́ ẹ̀ rán ọ ní ẹ̀wọ̀n ọdún 21 gbáko pẹ̀lú iṣẹ́ àṣekárakára.
Ẹ̀gbọ́n, ta ló tóbi Ọlọ́run? Kò sẹ́ni tó tóbi. Alágbára lọ́lọ́run tí ẹ̀ ń wò yìí o. Ọba aláwùrà bí ni. Kó fi wá dára rere tó máa dùn mọ́ wa nínú, tó máa bà àwọn ọ̀tá wa nínú jẹ́ ni kó fi wá dá o.
You see?
Ìwọ mójútó ẹ̀ náà, a fẹ́ máa lọ sí hospital. Ẹ pẹ̀lẹ́, tá bá ti ń lọ hospital báyìí, káwọn dókítà tètè gbẹ̀bí kan gbẹ̀yìn wọ tíátà, ó yá. Ẹ pẹ̀lẹ́.
Madam wà resort of public ó wà real close now. Yes, go a proper nation.
Ṣe bí ẹlẹ́dàá yín.
Ẹlẹ́dàá mi.
Ìyẹn tẹ bá ní.
Òun rè ó dúró digbí.
Congratulations lọ̀rọ̀ yẹn. Congratulations kí wàá tèmi bẹ́ẹ̀ sí ṣé èmi ẹjọ́ sinmi my lover ni.
Nurse! O rò pé o lè cheat me. Kò dẹ̀ cheat me gbé àbí. Sí mi wọ́n fẹ́ yan ẹlẹ́dàá tèmi jẹ. Ẹlẹ́dàá mi á dẹ̀ dá fún ẹ o. Orí mi máa dá fún ẹ o. Ẹlẹ́dàá mi á dá fún ẹ o.